keep your general health and immunity at par with the general population, general non-diabetic population, it is advised to take balanced diet is full of vitamin and minerals, lots of vegetables, fruits, etc. Apart from this, regular exercises, particularly aerobic exercises, walking are suggested even during this COVID-19 period. If you can do it with maintenance of proper social distancing. However, if that is not possible, then it is advised that you should continue walking either at your rooftop, or if the rooftop is not available in that sense, then at least within the premises of your home. Thirdly, which is most important, is glucose control. Glucose control, or having fairly good glucose control, is you can say it's a mandatory thing which you must be having, because it has been established in various clinical trials all over the world that people who are having poor glycemic control are the one who are getting more likely to develop severe COVID-19 infection, including ICU admissions. Therefore, if you are a person living with diabetes, it is strictly advised to you that you must use a home-based glucometer to check your plasma glucose values, capillary blood glucose values before major meals, that is, say, breakfast, lunch, or dinner. And you should keep it in between 110 to 140. By you should keep it, I mean that you should track that they are in between 110 to 140 or not, without significant episodes of hypoglycemia. If suppose you are already taking a prescription of diabetes and your capillary blood value before meals are in between 110 to 140, and you are not encountering hypoglycemias, then probably you can continue with the same prescription. If it is not so, if it is more than 140 milligram per DL consistently, then probably it is time for you that you should change your prescription. Then you should either visit a nearby endocrinologist, or in any case during this COVID-19 period, many people are scared of visiting clinics and hospitals. In that case, nowadays, every hospital, every doctor is almost offering the teleconsultation service. You can take teleconsultation with an endocrinologist. And if the last point which I would like to highlight is regarding, if suppose a person living with diabetes, how will he know that he has got COVID-19 infection?